Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning I decided to get up and I wanted to repot my mom's cactus that are dying. If you haven't seen it in my last video, I'll link it up here. But there are two cactus that I think are dying off in one of her pots in front of her house. So she bought a couple new ones and I was gonna repot them. Woke up this morning, realized we didn't have any soil. So I'm on my way to Home Depot to pick up some cactus soil. I thought I would bring you along and see if there's any other cactus I want to add to that pot and surprise her with it. Because the pot is a decent size and I think we could get like one or two other ones in there. So maybe some small ones. Also, I just wanted to talk a little bit about this since we're on the topic of cactus. I wanted to talk a little bit about this book that I got that someone sent me, Hooked on Cactus. Isn't that cute? It is Hooked on Cactus and Other Poems by Cactus. And I knew I loved Cactus so much. It's like, hey, do you want a copy of this book that I wrote? And it's on Amazon. So guys, I'm gonna link this link below if you guys want to pick it up. It's super cute. It's a soft cover. And if I could do this without dropping my camera, let me see if I can put my camera here. Sure. There we go. It is a super cute little book and it has poems on every page along with really pretty illustrations of cactus. Isn't that cute? Like really detailed illustrations. I love it. And it's just a super cute little book and I got a giggle off of some of the poems in there. So Anthony, thank you so much for sending me this. And actually, I want to do a little bit of a giveaway. He sent me this book, but also said that he's going to send 2 books to 2 winners. Stay tuned to the end of the video for the little contest that I'm doing. I recently just made 2,500 subscribers. I honestly can't believe that 2,500 people sit here and watch my videos. It just blows my mind sometimes to think about that. I know there's other YouTube pages that have thousands and thousands and thousands of subscribers, millions of people. I can't see my channel being that, but just to know that 2,500 of you guys actually like my videos and watch them and interact through comments and reach out to me is just really cool. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see the contest rules or, you know, how to enter or whatever. I don't do these things, so let's see what I come up with. Now let's go to Home Depot and get some soil. Halloween. I'm so ready. Ended up buying mommy a little surprise A little Apuntia. I'm excited. Present.
A present. Always buying me a present.
Yeah, it was a present.
Present. It's on the... Oh my goodness.
Damn it.
Oh, that's pretty.
Well, it will.
Oh, well, the way you drive, Cole.
It's an Apuntia. And look at those were blooms. And they fell off, so they'll probably bloom again. But it was only $6.98 for that big thing.
Wow, it's beautiful.
And those are the ones we saw on our walk yesterday, Mom. It was really pretty. And then I got you another little one to add to the thing.
All right.
Okay, now we got to clean this up. Okay, so here's the cactus that we're taking out of the pot. I'm going to check the roots on this one. I don't know. I have a feeling that it might be dying just because of the color. But this one is definitely a goner. So we're going to take these out. And isn't this a pretty terracotta? The detail on there. I love that. And then we have our soil. This is just a mix of cactus soil. And our three, what are these called? Tricerius gradiflora. Oh my God. Don't ever ask me to do a video on how to pronounce the names of plants because it's not going to happen. So we're going to put those three in here. All right, guys, I know the lighting is a little wonky, but it's like full sun in the backyard already at 9 a.m. So we're in the front, change the setup a little bit because I work better when I'm sitting on the floor, believe it or not. All right, so we're gonna use our tongs. Any pair of tongs will do. These are not as easy to work with because they're so big, but that's all right. All right, I'm gonna start, actually, let me take the rock out first. I also don't have my microphone. Didn't bring it. Epic YouTube fail. Sorry. But you watched my first 100 videos without it, so I'm sure you guys don't really care. I should have did this before I press record. Okay, we got all the rocks out. Now we are going to go in for surgery. Start with the little one that may possibly be alive still, and I'm just gonna check the roots. If I can. The roots look fine on this.
It's not doing anything, you know, it's just staying like that. It's not getting color, it's not growing. It's been like that for months and months.
We're gonna save it, and we're gonna put it in a different pot. I think this is fine. The soil is dry as F, but F means French toast, kids. I'm gonna put it right over there. You stay right there, little guy. Now this sucker is a goner. Isn't that crazy? The roots look fine.
Yeah, but it's a goner.
It's dead. I don't know if you could see that, but getting soil on the ground. That's gone. Okay, I'm gonna completely dump this soil out and start fresh just because it's been out here for a while. The nutrients are probably all gone from it. I know some of you guys may be like, why are you throwing away soil? Because I want to, okay? Okay.
There's stones in the
Time to take a shower. I'm gonna go jump in the pool after. All right. Let's do this without making a mess. That's impossible for me. I like this little vintage tin bucket she has. I might steal it. It's my grandpa's. She's off camera. I told her to be in the video, but she doesn't want to be in the video. So she's over here talking to me. People said they want to see more of Grandma Carol. Mommy Carol. Mom. And everybody told me to tell you that they said hi.
Hi, everyone.
Okay. I'm gonna leave a little room on top because when you water it, you don't want the water to run off and the soil to run over the sides of the pot. And we're going to be using decorative stone on top. So I just have my cactus soil here. I did get Miracle Grow, guys. I don't like to get Miracle Grow often, but Sometimes they have little fungus gnats in it. This soil seems to be fine. Sometimes. I mean, it depends. You know, any soil could get fungus gnats, but these are all the same brand Cactus. So hopefully they grow, and then she could put them in the ground, which will be fun. I'm gonna just go at it with no gloves today and just see how that goes. Ooh, look at them roots there. You see that? Is it focusing on me? I hope. All right. Just going in.
So you don't tear away at the bottom like you normally do?
Nah, I mean, it is a little bound there. Just a little bit. Okay.
You make it look so easy.
It is easy. One. Uno. How do you say one in Italian?
I don't know.
Who's gonna win 2 books of Hooked on Cactus poems? So what I want you guys to do, just to enter in this little tiny 2,500 subs contest. Isn't that crazy, Mom, that 2,500 people watch my videos?
Wonderful.
Numero dos. So what I want you guys to do for the contest is comment below with your favorite type of cactus. What's your favorite? And also include your Instagram handle. And if you don't know what a handle is, I'll put it up on the screen right now. It's pretty much at whatever your name is. So mine is at My Clean Leaves. And I'm gonna announce a winner. I'm just gonna pull a random winner, 2 of them. And I'm going to announce it on Instagram the day after this video comes out. So, whatever. I'm going to announce it tomorrow, because it'll be tomorrow from when you're seeing this video. And I'm going to announce it on there. And then if you don't have an Instagram, that's okay. Just say that you don't have an Instagram. And then I'll pin a comment to the top of this comment thread with who won. So just check back here tomorrow to see who won, and you'll just look in the comments and it'll be the first comment that pops up of who the winners are. And then all I'll need you to do is just send me your address, and then they'll send out a book to you. And it's so cute, guys. You guys just got to check it out. If you don't win, it's fairly inexpensive on Amazon, so just go pick it up. The link will be in the description, like I said earlier. And we have our 3 cactus planted. Isn't that cute? Oh, one's a little toppling over there. Got to get them secure. They will grip onto the soil and then they won't move, but these are pretty much in there, and I didn't put gloves on not once. Oh yeah, we're done. But now I'm gonna top it with some stones here. Actually, no, yeah, I'll water it after.
Put some on the thing.
Yeah, can you get me more? While you do that, I'm going to get started on the Opuntia. Ugh. You stay there. We lost a little bit of soil. Hey, come here, little guy. Got the saucer. Got the Opuntia. How cute! When I saw this, guys, I had to pick it up. It was only $6.98. It's called the Lime Green Dome. And it looks like it had some blooms here and they died off, which it'll flower again. But I thought it was cute because it looks like little ears, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, like Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. It does have some spikes, so I have to be careful. Oh, we got our stones here. I'm going to finish this off real quick. Soil. Going in. Okay, just filled it about a little more than halfway, and then I'm gonna make that well in the center. I don't know what these roots are gonna look like, so.
Oh,
What?
doesn't it have spikes?
No, well
Yeah.
Ooh, it got in my finger. I need to get it out.
We got big ones here. Let me see if these work. Got in the house.
Okay. My face, guys, I'm a mess. A mess. Like microscopic needles in this puntia. It got me.
Is that all it is, If not, we'll have to put glue on your finger and get it out.
Can you give me regular tweezers? Those look like they were worked on a car. Talk about getting an infection. We're putting gloves on. Don't make that mistake twice. I watch people on YouTube, mostly people that work like at nurseries, handle cactus without gloves, and like even like bunny ears or angel wings, like those ones. Oh God, it's like they just touch them like it's nothing, like it's fuzzy.
Yeah, no thank you.
No. I'm not very good at keeping things clean.
All right. Wow, is it dry?
The dang wind. Really dry. But the roots were coming out of the bottom of the pot. Hard to work with these big gloves though. Look at that. He's so cool. Put it like that.
Yep.
Should be okay to take these off now. I like watching repotting videos. Do you watch any other YouTube stuff or no? Like videos on YouTube?
Not really.
Just mine? Oh, I feel so special.
Sometimes weather ones.
Weather. But I like repotting videos because they're just so relaxing. What is that? It's bugging me. The bug is bugging me.
What's your arms, babe?
Got it. I just find it relaxing to like watch people repot and it come together. Come together. I think it's really cute.
Adorable.
Yeah, adorable. You see it, guys? Again, I will do close-ups, I promise. It's perfect. All right. We're gonna top it off with some stone and then we'll do close-ups, but I'll do my outro now. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me in this video of repotting. Don't forget to enter in the contest. Comment below with your favorite cactus and your Instagram handle, and I'm gonna announce the winners tomorrow. On Instagram, there'll be 2 of you guys, and I'll also pin a comment to the top of this video tomorrow when I pull the winners. All right? It's so cute, and I love the illustrations too. So pick this up if you don't win and you don't have it. All right, guys, thanks so much, and I will see you in my next video. Subscribe and like. Check out these close-ups.